Today we'll be talking about choosing specialty sinks too early. One of the most expensive kitchen remodel mistakes in 2026 starts with something that looks harmless: picking the sink too early. That oversized farmhouse sink, that workstation sink with the cutting board, drying rack, and accessory. It might look perfect online, but if you choose it before finalizing your cabinet base dimensions, you could be setting up for a costly installation problem. Hi, I'm Andre DeCina, developer and owner of Kitchen Planet. Here's the issue. Specialty sinks are not one size fits all. Farmhouse sinks, apron front sinks, deep workstation sinks, and oversized basin styles often require very specific cabinet base sizes, support framing, clearances, countertop cuts, and plumbing placement. So, when a homeowner chooses the sink first, before confirming the cabinet layout, the remodel can hit a major bottleneck. Suddenly, the cabinet base may be too small, the sink may not fit properly, the countertop cutoff may need to change, the installer may need to modify the cabinet on site, and in some cases, the entire cabinet order has to be adjusted. That means delays, added labor, extra cost, and a lot of stress that could have been avoided. Let's say you fall in love with a large farmhouse sink and ordered early because you want that high-end kitchen look. But later, your cabinet plan includes a sink base that is too narrow or not built to support that style. Now your contractor has to figure out where the cabinet can be altered, whether the sink needs to be swapped, or whether the surrounding layout needs to change. That is not a design choice anymore. That is a construction problem. The better process is simple. Structure first, style second, before you choose a specialty sink. Confirm your sink base cabinet width, your cabinet depth, the sink's exact dimensions, the required support structure, the countertop cutup requirements, and whether the plumbing location works with the sink style. Once those details are looked in, then you can confidently choose the sink that fits both your design and your kitchen's actual layout. This is exactly why planning before you spend matters. With Kitchen Planet, the goal is to help you think through your layout, materials, measurements, and remodel choices before they become expensive mistakes. Because a beautiful kitchen is not just about picking up the best looking finishes, it is about making sure everything works together before installation day. So, before you buy that farmhouse or workstation sink, pause and confirm the cabinet base first. The sink should fit the kitchen plan, not force the kitchen plan to change around it. Download the free kitchen renovation guide from www.kitchenplanet.net and start planning smarter before you spend thousands. And for more remodel planning tips, subscribe to our practical kitchen renovation advice that helps you avoid costly mistakes before they happen. If you like our video, please subscribe below. And also, don't forget to go to www.kitchenplanet.net and download your free kitchen renovation guide. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.